not sleepy, dirty, and alive. For now.
These passports, okay? Send me all these passports. I can't tell red, blue, green.
Where are we going?
No, what? Okay. I take all of them, okay? What do you want? You want money?
No, I don't.
I take
You want your fucking money! I don't want your fucking money!
You take all the money, okay? No, I don't need help. Get away! Stop. Starting tomorrow. Sleep. Down, sleep. Supposed to be my rock. Hey, oh, my rock. You know what? You are just an enabler. Okay. You made your point. Now we make a deal and you begin a new life as a wealthy man, huh?
I can pay my own bills.
Congrats. Come closer and she dies.
No!
I figured that. You should disappear. Take the money. Have a nice life. Where is she?
I do not know this woman.
You're a bad liar.
Why risk everything? Why kill everyone for her?
Because I told her I had her back.
If I give you this woman, you let me leave? Because if I just give you the address, then you shoot me, huh?
What if you give me a fake address and I shoot you? That's bad for both of us.
It's south on 57, then I give you her address.